The first stroke is intake. The piston moves downward, decreasing the pressure in the cylinder. The intake valve opens and a mixture of air and fuel flows inside the cylinder. The second stroke is compression. Both the intake and exhaust valves are closed. Then the momentum of the crankshaft and the counterweight causes the piston to move upward, compressing the mixture of air and fuel and thereby increasing the temperature. The third stroke is the power stroke. The spark plug ignites the compressed, heated mixture of fuel and air. The explosion pushes the piston downward. The last stroke is the exhaust stroke. The piston moves upward and the exhaust valve opens and the exhaust gases are expelled.